Today we're going to talk about how to use ChatGPT to create meal plans. And if you have never used ChatGPT before, super simple, just Google chatgpt.com. It might come up as chatgpt.openai.com, but you can Google that or put that into your search bar to pull this up. And then you can just go ahead and start typing away your questions or prompts. So with ChatGPT, we can use specific either goals we've set for ourselves or general meal plan ideas. We can type in certain ingredients that we have and all that good stuff. So I'll just jump right in and show you an example. So I'll start with some general things without specific numbers or specific goals, just to show you, give you a general idea how this works. So you can say, create a meal plan that is high protein, high fiber, and low carbohydrates. Say you have an allergy, so you can always say exclude certain foods. So maybe you have an allergy to eggs, say you have an allergy to nightshade vegetables. Maybe there's some things that your doctor told you to increase, or you just want to increase yourself. So maybe focus on non-starchy vegetables and foods with omega-3 fatty acids. So these are all kind of general things, but still getting a little bit specific. And let's see what it comes up with. So it'll create a list of, usually it works faster than this. Here we go. Create a list of ideas with specific ingredients. So here it says chia seed pudding, smoked salmon, and gives you all of, ingredients in a salad. And then you could say, if you don't like this list form, you can say, put this into a chart. And you can maybe see it better that way. And if you want to know how many grams of protein, how many grams of fiber you're getting, you could say include the amounts of protein and fiber for each meal. So you can kind of like have a conversation with ChatGPT, go back and forth, edit it how you like. So here now it's showing all of the specifics if you wanted to get into that specific. And say you want to be specific from the get-go. So you could say, create a meal plan that aims for, maybe we want to do 75 grams of protein per day, and maybe let's say 50 grams of fiber. And these are just kind of random numbers, not really based off of anything, because it's all going to be individualized for you with the above restrictions. So let's see what it comes up with there. So you don't even need to say again that you're allergic to eggs or nightshades, and again, it's kind of like having a conversation in order to tailor it to exactly what you need. And here it says daily totals, which is awesome. And you can start getting a better idea of just how much is in certain foods. Okay, so that was focused on macronutrient goals and maybe just some general dietary goals that you might have. But what if you go to your doctor and they diagnose you with IBS or with SIBO, and they say, go do low FODMAP diet? And you're like, okay, what does that mean? Well, I'm sure that there's tons of resources online, but you can use ChatGPT to create a meal plan for a low FODMAP. So, or really any, dietary plan that you might be recommended. So create a low FODMAP meal plan, and again, let's just say, for example, that you have the allergies for eggs and nightshades. Avoid eggs and nightshade vegetables. And so here it'll help you kind of tailor what you're doing with low FODMAP. And let's see here. So look, chia seed pudding again. It really likes that. So this is just great just to get some ideas, but maybe you don't feel like going to the grocery store and you're like wondering if the foods that you already have in your pantry are low FODMAP. You can say, ask ChatGPT, is a salad with, let's say, spinach, almonds, goat cheese, beets, and chickpeas adherent to low FODMAP diet? So here it broke down every single thing. So there's the conclusion that salad wouldn't be low FODMAP, and maybe you can kind of tailor from there what you want to do. So I hope this was helpful, and I always like to thank ChatGPT for all the hard work that it did for me. You never know what's going on with AI, so I hope this was helpful, and let me see if I can shut this off. You can give us a call, our office, Frederick Natural Health Center, if you have any questions.